So you idiots thought you could flag my old channel and I wouldn't be able to make any more videos for at least 2 weeks? On my normal channel, this is my backup channel. It's better! Why did you have to flag my old channel, you idiots? Go to hell. You have no soul. You are gingers. You are copper caps, and you have no soul. Why won't you? So my stupid idiot mom got me a dog today. I hate you, Mom! I hope you can hear me! Went to the pet store. I didn't want a dog. I wanted a bunny rabbit so I could rape it. But apparently no! My stupid idiot mom with fucking red hair had to get me a stupid dog! See, look, here he is. He's right here. Get over here, you gay piece of crap. This is my stupid idiot dog that I hate. I hope you can hear this. I hate you. You are an idiot. I hate you, Acer. You're an idiot. You are a freaking idiot. I hate you. Get out of here, you piece of crap, you stupid idiot. Stupid, stupid, stupid! Stop it, leave me alone!